Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this 512 gigabyte SD card into our GKU D600 dash cam. The first thing we want to do is, honestly, just swap them out. But there are some steps we have to do after that. Alright, and then we'll install our SD card just like this. And then we can hook up power and everything to get started.
Please format the SD card.
To format that SD card, we'll go ahead and open up the app. First thing you got to do is, on your phone, look for Wi-Fi. You're going to find the GKU D600 Wi-Fi. Connect to that. Alright, here in the app, I can see here at the top across the screen, it says please format SD card. You'll go into camera settings. And then at the very bottom, it says format SD card.
Formatting is completed.
And that took about 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds. So it's all ready to go. We've got 512 gigabytes of data. You can see right here, it says 477. That's what you actually get when you buy 512 gig. That should be enough to hold about 60 hours worth of video. So should be good to get you going. If you have questions about this guy or anything else, leave those in the comments below. If you want to get this dash cam or this SD card set, I'll have linked down in the description of this video as well. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.